Stop buying $60 PS4 controllers. Instead, buy this $20 controller that comes in a bunch of different colors and serves the same purpose. Now, I've had this controller for over a year now. Yes, it does have stick drift, just like normal controllers would in about a year or so. This controller, as you can see, it's in tip-top condition still to this day. Now, it wasn't my main controller, it was like my secondary controller for when I play PS4 games, but this controller has lasted me more than a PS4 or PS5 controller has lasted me without as much stick drift. There's barely any stick drift on this one. So you guys could pay $20. It's not even for the quality. It's just that it's $20 versus $60. We're starting off this video talking about economy, basically. $60 or $70 for a PS5 controller, but $60 for a PS4 controller just like this. You can get 3 of these burner controllers for $20 each. You can get 3 of them at $60 for the price of one controller. Even if these only last 3 months, you just last yourself 9 months with $60 instead of 6 months with one controller, basically. Also, if you break controllers, this could be perfect for you. Now, the thing about this, obviously, it's not an actual PlayStation controller. It's not made by Sony or anything. It is going to be from like the third party, so like, it's not going to have like certain logos. As you can see with mine doesn't have like circle and all that on it, but that's okay, because like I know where circle is, I know where everything is, and I can just play just fine. This controller, let me give you guys a little bit of a B-roll footage here. It comes with like a back tab right there, and it comes in a nice box as well, but obviously this is an older controller. I've had this for a while. I just wanted to do a review on this again. I did a review before, and I wanted to do like a follow-up video here. And you guys can check this out in the description. I got like 4 different links in the description for 4 different type of controllers that are like this, that are different colors, camo colors, and all that kind of stuff. Now, these do work on PS4. They work on like Mac and computers and Windows and everything like that. And they also apparently work on PS5s or PS3s, I mean. PS5s they obviously work on because PS4 controllers work on PS5. Apparently these work on PS3. I would take that with a grain of salt because that's what I don't have a PS3 to test it with, but literally on the listing it says it works for PS3. Now, it does have vibration in this. A lot of people are going to say it doesn't have vibration because it's a cheap controller. It actually does have vibration. And the biggest reasons why you might want to buy a $20 controller, like I said, is if you're going through controllers fast, like sometimes I do. I don't really go through controllers as much because I don't play video games as much now. You guys can easily just go through these controllers and spend $60, $70 over and over again. Now, I do want to find a PS5 controller. It's going to be really good, but this controller has served me justice. I don't really play too many PS4 games anymore, but this PS4 controller has been amazing for me. And depending on which listing you get from the description, it actually comes with a charger too, which is a little bit of a bonus. I don't think normal controllers come with a charger, so you get a little bit of a charger with the controller, so you don't have to buy a charger, which obviously you probably already have a charger, but hey man, I wouldn't complain for an extra charger. And this is like perfect for like right now if you're watching this like soon after it came out. It's almost Black Friday now. Yeah, controllers might be like $45 for Black Friday. Still, you can get 2 of these for $45 still on Amazon as well, and it has Prime 2-day for me, and it might even have 1 day or overnight depending on where you live at and depending on what time it is of the day. Right now it's like a little bit after noon, so 2-day it would normally be in 1 day, but it's still 2-day right now instead of 1 day. And then a lot of people are gonna say like, how is the latency on it, how's the response time? I personally play like Call of Duty with this controller and stuff like that. I played before. I played Call of Duty on my PC with it, and I played a little bit of like shooter. I didn't play Call of Duty on my PS5. I played other stuff that's gonna need like response time on my PS5 with this controller, but mostly I played like Warzone and stuff like that on my PC with this controller, and I haven't really noticed a difference. I also had it plugged in the entire time though, so you guys can take that with a grain of salt. I had it wireless on my PS5 and it worked just fine as well. I didn't really notice any difference. I also do have like a super good monitor though, and I have good internet connection, so like I might not notice it either way. And I have like a 1 millisecond response time monitor that's really good. And yeah, so I don't know, you guys might have to let me know down below in the comments if you guys buy this controller or if you have a similar controller like this, because all of them come from similar companies and they're made by similar like manufacturers and warehouses. So you guys can comment down below and let me know how your response time is. Also, a lot of people are probably gonna talk about how is the battery. Now, I don't know where it is. It's not saying anything about the battery on the listing here on Amazon. I was just curious just to see if it said anything. For me, it's probably about the same as the PS4 controller, maybe a little bit less of a battery. So you are gonna have to charge it a little bit more often. But like for me, I haven't really noticed it. Like all you gotta do is, unless you're playing like 24 hours a day or like 12 hours a day, you're not really gonna notice it. All you gotta do is just charge it when you're not playing for a little bit, maybe once or twice a week, you know, unless you don't play unless you play like more than 4 hours a day, then maybe you need to charge them more than once or twice a week. I play like an hour or 2 a day, and I only have to charge my controllers like once or twice a week realistically. If you guys want to check out this controller, the link will be down below in the description for a bunch of different links as well. I will have some more videos coming soon. I know Black Friday is right around the corner, holiday season's coming up, so I might do like a budget video for you guys, like 5 budget items that are really good, or some videos like that for around Black Friday and around Christmas. So let me know down below if you guys want those kind of videos, and if you're watching this after the holiday season, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see see on this channel. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, turn notifications, all kind of stuff. Appreciate you guys watching this video if you guys did, and hopefully your controller issues could be solved just like mine were when I got this controller.